Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Washington State, and I'm a Ascend Foundation student enrolled in the certificate track. I enrolled in Ascend because I was looking for a strong Christian community after high school, and I wanted to learn leadership from a Christian worldview. My biggest problem when looking for a college was that I didn't have the degree that I wanted to go for yet, so I just kind of stalled. But through Unbound's Navigate program, I've been learning just to take one step at a time, to learn what my gifts and interests are, and just to utilize the opportunities that life has put in front of me right now. When someone asks me what Ascend is, I would say it's a program for young Christian adults that uses personal projects, small teams, and a fun, determined community that encourages you to give your best. When I attended AFEX for the first time, as an introvert, it was rather overwhelming because there are a lot of people. However, they provide lots of fun activities for you to get to know others, and I really enjoyed the sessions that encouraged and inspired me, and the team challenges, which are my favorite part, where you got to bond with your team as well as completing something challenging. For my Ascend project, I'm currently planning to take an online ASL class. I'll be taking it at a pretty fast pace to get it all fit it all in 12 weeks. But I chose it because I want to work with disabled children, and I know that there are some, specifically those with Down syndrome, that are nonverbal, and I want to be able to communicate clearly with them, and I know that ASL will help with that. One of the benefits I've seen from my time in Ascend is that I don't have to have my life figured out to go get this college and then get this job and have it all planned out, but instead just take one step at a time to learn during this phase of life and to make the most of what I have right now. One of my biggest challenges, now that I've been in Ascend for a while, is time management, and the fact that trying to keep on top of college due dates and assignments, as well as balancing it with the community on Slack and my time there. If someone is looking into joining Ascend, I would want them to know that the Unbound community of students and staff always pushes you to give your very best. And when you fall down, they'll help you back up, help you figure out what went right and what went wrong, and to move forward again.